Welcome to the UI/UX Portfolio Projects video. This collection showcases various design projects prepared by Methologik. Our first project is Ebercar, a ride-sharing mobile app focused on carpooling. It connects drivers and riders for shared commutes, helping users save time and money while reducing environmental impact. Next is X-Reality, an AI-driven edtech platform connecting children with online expert tutors. This platform uses AI and virtual reality to create immersive, experience-based learning. Ridley mobile app is a logistics-based courier delivery service that connects travelers with people needing to send parcels. Travelers post their details, allowing senders to find suitable courier options utilizing available luggage space. Edolutions is an intelligent learning management system connecting students with qualified teachers for online and home-based tutoring. It includes features like session management, chat, one-on-one classes, payment gateways, and reporting dashboards. The Mentor Health project features a Figma design covering modules like HRA, a website and calculator, TPA, and financial management. The design provides a clean, user-friendly interface with intuitive layouts and professional aesthetics. Noble Corners project involved designing a dashboard for a premium fabric selection service. The user-friendly interface enhances engagement by enabling easy navigation and tailoring service customization for clothing orders. For Future Gates, we created websites to clearly showcase the company's purpose and simplify complex services into easy user journeys. The goal was to build a strong, trustworthy digital presence. Kabyle is an educational platform designed to help students realize their potential. Methologik provided the complete UI/UX, focusing on a clean, intuitive interface and smooth navigation through learning paths and progress tracking. The Airlift Figma design focuses on a clean, structured, and user-friendly interface for a mobile e-commerce grocery app. Each screen meets modern design standards, resulting in a polished, easy-to-use product. The Insight Hub is an internal app for ICI, designed to facilitate seamless form filling and feedback between TMs and chemist doctors. The UI/UX emphasizes clarity, consistency, and a professional user experience. Amon Credits is a cloud-based investment and loan management platform. Our UI/UX design offers a clean, intuitive interface and seamless navigation, providing a professional, user-friendly experience across all workflows. Manzil is a comprehensive service management app featuring contract management, accounting, visitor management, and maintenance and support. The design prioritizes intuitive navigation and clear dashboards for easy workflow management. Pikia is a mobile e-commerce grocery app. The design ensures a seamless user experience for consumers and provides the super admin dashboard with a comprehensive view of performance and behavioral insights. V1 Accounting is a cross-platform financial and taxation service application. Methologik ensured a clean structure, clear information flow, and intuitive navigation, making personal and business finance management simple for users. Our final project is Old Time Coach, a role-based vehicle inspection and management system. We designed the complete UI/UX for clarity, structured navigation, and a smooth workflow supporting various user types, from admins to clerks. Thank you for reviewing our work. For more information, you can contact us at the number or email displayed or visit our office location.